Is there any concern with locating a horizontal chase at the baseboard level?
Well, it has to be above the sill plate. And so there's a 2x6 sill plate at the very bottom of the panel. The chase would have to be above that. But otherwise, it could be down all the way down to that sill plate if you desired to have it there. Typically speaking, we were going to run a chase 16 inches off the floor. Kitchen and bathroom, we're going to run it above countertop height at 44 inches, but we can run them in custom locations. Another really cool thing about the chases that Intercept uses is that they're burned in, they're bored in with heat, and so it kind of sears the edges. And one of the electricians commented on that on one project. He says, I've run wires through a number of different types of panels, and it tends to snag on the expanded polystyrene, but that doesn't happen in your panels because they're seared along the edge from that heat, and the wires slide right through. So we can run those, to answer your question, we can run those in custom locations wherever you need to have them, as long as there's not any structure or lumber in the way.